Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to report Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, scroll down, choose on someone, Facebook account. Okay, click on someone, then tap on three dot option and tap on report page. Click on a specific post, then then click, then next, click on choose this option, any option. Okay, adult content. Okay, then submit, then next, then done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.